I mean, I think it's like show up. That's step one. Like really try to be a user and talk to the users and really understand what their life is like. And when I was at Microsoft, we bought GitHub, and then we had to go through like regular antitrust compliance in the EU and in Washington D.C. And so there was a period after we'd signed a deal to buy it, but before I could start running it, where I couldn't do anything with the company, but I could go and talk to all the customers. And so I spent like a couple months just talking to all the customers and users and my friends who were GitHub users to see what their life was like using GitHub and and so I kind of went in thinking I had some pretty strong views of what was missing. I mean, it was really clear that GitHub had treated itself as a hub, where you store your source code and have pull requests and issues, and like there was lots of parts of the software development lifecycle that GitHub hadn't worked on, like CI/CD, which had not actually been a part of standard software SDLC when GitHub was created, and a few other things. And so I was definitely like, the clear message I got from the users was like, we want more stuff directly integrated in GitHub. And so I thought, okay, we should just go in and do a bunch of stuff. And then I got to GitHub, and I found that the company had some kind of stage fright because like it was such a beloved product, it was so well designed, and it was many of the people who had originally created GitHub were gone, and so the inheritors of it were worried about desecrating the legacy, and like were a little bit nervous to ship anything. It had to be kind of perfect when it shipped. And so it was like, okay, break the stage fright. Like we're gonna just throw a lot of pots, and hopefully like we get good at this eventually. And then the other thing I did was
so talk to users,
yeah,
ship stuff.
Ship stuff, yeah. I mean, the main thing is like always about learning. And so